Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I want to do a top 10 favorite squishies. So yeah, it's pretty hot here. I'm gonna on fan. So yeah. Okay, there you go. Oh, it's so hot here. And it's so hot and very windy. Oh my gosh, the fan is not blowing me. The fan is blowing there. Since a lot of people want to see my face, so here is it. And I just painted my nose like last week. Not last week, last Friday. So this one is not pink yet, but I have a new nail here. So that's why the hell key is coming off. And can you see the red is shining? So yeah. Then let me start the top 10 squishy favorite squishy. Since a lot of people want to see my face, so I'm just going to do it. So yeah. But nobody subscribed my channel. I'm pretty sad. And nobody left a comment. And nobody liked. So sad. And today I'm going to do a squishy top 10 favorite squishy. This will not be any random. This will be not a random order like not 10, 9, 8, 7, no. Okay. So sorry about that. One of them is this Hello Kitty toes. Just rare now. And I'm gonna carry the top 1 and 2 in the last particular order. Like, there is something squishy. I don't know why. So yeah. Second is this healthy dongle. It's one of my favorite too, because they're really squishy and they're rare in Singapore. But in other countries you don't have this, so sorry about that. You know what? My YouTube account is the Yaksen because my mother is Yak and my father is Sin. So I need to follow them. So actually, when you see like a Chinese monk video, it's not I posted, it's my father posted. So sorry about that. They're super squishy. I'm not gonna waste my time because I don't want this video to be too long. So yeah. Further 2 more. So this is just both of them. The next one will be one of them will be this hell. Sorry about the wrapping noise. I know it's quite irritating. If you really don't want the wrapping noise, please like quickly on the mic. Just like go 1, 2, 3. Just lower down your volume, please, until 0. If you really hate. So yeah. So this is the next one. This is my most not that favorite, but they're really cute. So I really like it. Oh yeah, next episode I'll do a squishy cat. So yeah, in my account I only do squishies, not other things. So yeah, when I went to Africa, there's so many macarons, a squishy shop. I went to Africa before, so I saw a squishy shop and I wanted to go there, and I saw a macaron. A plain macaron with like so many rare squishies. There's Hello Kitty rare one. There's like Hello Kitty in a, I don't know what you call it, in a flower costume. And the macaron, you have pink, yellow grapes, the filling. Whoa, that's great. And I want to buy my macaron also, so about that. I want to show you guys, but I can't. I have this. Secondly, I also have this macaron, which is the light pink one, but this one I'm going to give to my cousin. This two I'm going to give my cousin because my cousin is really kind to me and she lost a brother turtle. So I'm pretty sad for her. A jumbo breaded cheddar. I took the light pink one because she said she wanted the light pink one, and filling and really textured. Yeah, we'll sell some squishy. So, 4 things. Next is this jumbo blush bun, which is my top one. They're super squishy. Sorry. I really like the chubby cheeks. This is pink, but the red one is fit one, so very less people got a fit one, so yeah. But I already chose. Not my second one. Not quite squishy, and there's like 4 slices, and the slices is more squishier than the outer one. So I really like it. But it's not my second one. For e-color something. She really liked the brown road chose. So I don't know why. She liked the dead face one. I like this face. And my top 2 will be this Bretto Roti, a Bretto Feather, which is super defective. Look what happened? I just torn, and the whole head is coming out. So I'm very sad. Help me. So yeah, this is my top 2. They're really squishy, and it's like my stress squishy. Oh, the hair is coming off. That's really cute. And there's the license right away. And this is like the normal squishy. And one of them is this one piece toast. So they So one of them is just minion toast, but this is my 5th one to tell you guys. So yeah, and the last one will be this Hello Kitty biscuit. And the tag and the ball chain. So I know a lot of people want the pink one, so actually I have one more species that I like. So I'm just gonna show you guys. It's this donut, Hello Kitty donut. So I've got this, and the tag is like this, which is the thick one. So I'm going to show you one by one in like a random order. I will not squish that. Some I will squish so like that. This is the 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and lastly 1. And thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed. And my bedroom is so messy, so I'm gonna arrange them later. But now I will arrange them. I put my squishies on a big orange bag. It's quite messy, so yeah, sorry about that. And I will keep the tag on the pink box. So the pink box looks like this. All my small squishies are inside. So hope you guys enjoy, and sorry, the tissue just fly. So bye. Subscribe and give a like. Sorry that I never say in this video. like, subscribe, and like, because it's okay. So bye.